Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Zone 2 Garage. Today we're going to be doing bulb replacement on a 2015 Nissan Frontier Desert Runner. We're also going to be installing these nice darkened taillights on. So these are the bulbs we're going to work with. We're going to add the bulb description in there when we go through. These are all from Amazon. What tools we're going to use right now is going to be a 10mm deep socket, and it's going to be a 1/4 inch ratchet. So basically what you want to do starting off, get all your stuff and your tools together, and then let's go ahead and let the tailgate down. And when we let the tailgate down, we're going to see the 10mm here, and we're going to see the 10mm here. So those are the two bolts that you're going to pull. Those are righty-tighty, lefty-loosey boys. So let's get to it. One bolt here. One bolt here. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward deal. Once you get those broken, they should be hand tight in there. They're not usually too tight. Put those somewhere safe. When you get to this now, we'll use this as an example. You see you're going to have this locator pin in there. So that's in there on a rubber grommet holding tension. So you just want to pop that out ever so easily. But take notice of how the taillight is designed. You don't want to break these tabs here. Alright, so we're just ever so gently going to pop this out. Just like that. Nice and easy. Alright, and now since we're changing the taillight here, we're just going to unclip these. If you were to just be changing the bulb out, you would just twist this to the right and that would come out. Okay, so but we're not going to be using this housing, so let's just unplug these boys here just like that. Push pin, push tab. Here's another push tab. Oop. Sometimes they're a little bit seized in there. Make sure to just take your time. They come out rather easy. Bomb. And we have them. So on this one now, we're going to swap out the bulbs. They did come with bulbs. So let's start with the turn signal. That's going to be this guy right here. Take this out. And you're just going to pop your bulb out. Let's get our new bulb. These are, we're doing an LED conversion on this truck. Just looks nicer. Just gonna line that up in there, pop that in there. You line it up, just like so. Give it a twist. You'll feel it tighten up and lock in there. Let's go for this one next. This should be your stop lamp. Let's get our stop lamp out of here. Oh, this one's in a nice little package. Got our LED out, same thing. Just gonna pop that boy in there. Bomb. Make sure and give it a little wipe off. Don't want any fingerprints. And we're just gonna pop that boy in there again. Give it a twist, and that's it. Now for the reverse lights, pop it out. This is a little bit of a smaller bulb. We're gonna get our nice new guy here. These should be nice and bright now. These are CAN bus LEDs we're using. Bomb. Pop it in. And notice these things have tabs on here, so you're just going to line that up with the cutouts on there. So if it doesn't fit the first time, just give it a spin a few times and you'll feel it lock in. Bomb, just like that. A little bit too much. Bomb. So now let's go ahead and take our light over now that we're fully prepared, and we're going to plug it in. These plugs will only go into one plug each. They have these different little serrations on top that will stop them from going in. Pop in our first one, pop in our second one, and our third. Yeah, that's it. So now once again we're going to take notice of our tab here, and we're going to line that up in there with that. That's the tab that we're popping it into. So we're just going to go just like that, line it up, bomb, just like that, and you just give it a little press. Just a little press, and you'll feel it go in there. And now we want to double check our 10s are ready, and we'll get those in there finger tight. You don't want to strip these boys. Check our ratchet, make sure we're going to the right.
Righty tighty, loosey.
Lefty loosey is what my compadre meant to say. So you just tighten that down and they'll start getting tighter. And that's it. Just double check this one again. And we're good. Let me get one of my associates to go ahead and we'll try to get you a little visual. Just go through the right turn signal and brake lights for us. So now we're just double checking that everything works. There's our turn signal. Let's get reverse. There's reverse. You see our brake light is on. Can you hit the brakes? And there's the brakes coming on and off. Beautiful, thank you. And there you have it, guys. So the other side is exactly the same. The bolts are in the same location. Bulbs going the same way. Alrighty. Until next time, this is Zone 2 Garage out.